If you've ever accidentally deleted a project in CapCut, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to recover a deleted project in CapCut PC, step by step, in just a minute. This is super useful if you closed the wrong file, removed an edit by mistake, or just need to bring back an important project you thought was gone for good. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like button if this video helps you, and subscribe for more quick CapCut tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open CapCut on your PC. Once the app loads, make sure you're in the Home section. This is important because the recovery option is not going to be in your project editor itself. You want to start from the main CapCut home screen where your recent and saved projects are listed. Now look for the trash icon. This is where CapCut stores deleted projects before they are permanently removed. Click on that trash icon, and you should see a list of projects that have been deleted from your account or workspace. Take your time here, and find the project you want to restore. If you deleted more than one project, make sure you click the correct one so you don't recover the wrong file. Once you locate your deleted project, click on it to select it. After that, look below the list and find the Restore icon. This is the button that brings the deleted project back into your main project area. Click the Restore icon, and CapCut will begin recovering the project for you. After the recovery process is complete, go back to your project section. You should now see the recovered project listed there again, just like before it was deleted. From here, you can open it and continue editing as normal. So if your project ever disappears by accident, this is the fastest way to get it back in CapCut PC. If this tutorial saved your project, make sure to give this video a like and subscribe for more CapCut tips, editing tricks, and beginner-friendly tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.